So here we've got a indices question, and they've asked us to give our final answer in a standard form, so don't forget that bit either. We've got A, and they told us that's equal to 25 times by 10 to this 14n. They want to have a to the power of 3 over 2. Now a to the power of 1.5 means that we're going to take it to the cube it and square root it. But I advise you to square root things before you cube things, make the numbers smaller before you make them bigger. So do it to both sides, and that index number is going to operate on both the 25 and it's going to operate on the 10 to the 14, 10 to the power of 14n. And on that first one, well, we can do 25 square rooted is 5 and 5 cubed is 125. And for the second one, it's just the third law of indices, isn't it? So what's 14n times by 3 over 2? Well, that's going to be 10 to the 21n, isn't it? I think. And of course, we haven't quite finished. They want it in standard form. So I need to have a number between 1 and 10 standard form. So I'm going to turn that into 1.25, which makes that 100 times smaller. So I'm going to have to make this second part 100 times bigger. So if I multiply this 10 to the 21n by 10 squared, which is 100, then I'm going to have to plus 2, aren't I? That's the first law of indices. And so that's my answer. Okay, have just a quick look at the examiner's report. And it looks like a student's made a few mistakes there. And then we'll just check that we're right by looking at the mark scheme. Yeah, it's going to be 21n plus 2, isn't it, if you multiply by 100. And yes, there we have it. M marks as well as A marks, so you must show a method.